Cote program. We are once again walking to the store to get the family groceries. Amid the COVID, whatever you call it, virus, a lot of things shut down here in Portland, Oregon. But yeah, everything is going pretty well, you know. Demo day did get canceled. We did do a virtual. Results weren't the same as what the in-person would have been, so having to work 2 or 3 times is hard, which probably would have had to do either way. But to get visibility, it's the toughest part right now. The good news is with this virus, even though the numbers do not pan out, FYI, being a math guy, but with it as a concern, more so of a fear, it does present a pretty interesting situation for ADHERE to really be able to produce some smart luggage that can really make a big difference with how people travel, especially traveling safely and healthy. So we believe clean travel is going to be a paradigm shift. So we're positioning all our content and media to kind of reflect that. And then on the design front, we're going to really push hard design-wise to make sure that we have the cleanest tech available to offer for people who travel. So that might open up a whole new opportunity and window for ADHERE moving forward in terms of product line. But yeah, so we're gonna make the most out of it. You know, we're gonna ride the wave and go ahead and make sure that we produce the best quality products that people need in a time like this. So with that being said, we will give you all an update later. It is March 26th. So yeah, almost April. We'll catch you all later. Stay safe. Leave your out.